We are going to be looking at different ways in which HR professionals can truly leverage technology. Now, the first thing I know you're thinking about is probably the use of AI, and that's absolutely fine. Artificial intelligence, automation, digitization, all of those do help in simplifying work. For example, in recruitment, using ATS is one of the common ways in which large number of applicants are easily screened. This brings about efficiency, this brings about speed. It to an extent also will encourage accuracy. However, that's just one aspect of it. So how else can we leverage the use of technology in HR? The second alternative is to start thinking about your workflows, think about your processes, and think about workforce planning. How long does it take you to do something? Can technology be used to make it smoother, quicker, faster, error-free? And when you start streamlining work and looking at efficiencies within your workflow, again, you're using the technology to an advantage, not just for what you're doing within HR or in workforce planning, but also to have an impact on the organizational outcomes. And third way in which technology can be incredibly useful is when you have those massive sources of data, but you're actually analyzing that for usefulness. So a lot of organizations will collect lots and lots of data, but this is mostly used for reporting and it's very, very retrospective in nature. Let's take that forward. Can the technology help you convert the data about the past to draw some insights about the future, find out what are the organizational issues and challenges, and at the same time, forecast and project it for the future to understand what if your data sense the way it was, the insight of today, continued in the future, where would you be going as an organization? That helps you add a bit more maturity and value to your stakeholders in the organization through the use of technology. Within the CIPD program, we will be exploring how technology can be used in all sorts of fields within the HR world.